What's up guys, Lucas here, and in today's video I have some very exciting research that I really want to present, and that is how cordyceps may actually be able to restore tight junction integrity and support what's known as leaky gut. So for those of you who are brand new to my channel, my name is Lucas. I'm the founder of Ergogenic Health, and my mission is to give you guys the most cutting edge health information that you'll struggle to find on Google. So anyway, back to cordyceps. So to give you guys a bit of a background, cordyceps is a very well-known medicinal mushroom that possesses very impressive adaptogenic qualities, which means that it helps the body combat both physical and mental stresses. And it's heavily used in the sports performance realm. It's used by a lot of athletes to support exercise performance and VO2 max, lung capacity. It opens up the lungs. It helps modulate dopamine levels in the brain. So it can share some similar properties with bromantane. You guys have heard me talk about bromantane before. But anyway, today I'm here to talk to you about specifically one cool research paper that looked at how cordyceps can potentially strengthen the gut and through modulating what's known as the tight junction. So I'm going to quickly share my screen and show you this pretty fascinating study here. So Cordyceps sinensis preserves intestinal mucosal barrier and may be an adjunct therapy in endotoxin-induced sepsis in rat model. It's a pilot study. So basically, guys, you need to understand that endotoxin, and I'll talk about this a lot more soon, but endotoxin is a gram-negative bacteria that can actually wreak havoc not only on the gut, but also many other organs in the body. And anything that can suppress endotoxin is beneficial for human health. And there's many ways that we can address this, you know, through activated charcoal, carrot salad, some other things like that. And what's fascinating is that cordyceps was able to preserve the intestinal tight junctions. And this is part of the mechanism how BPC may actually help with BPC 157, the peptide. I've spoken about that on my channel. Possibly one of the mechanisms behind how it will also correct many gut disorders and things like that. So it's very technical study, but I'll just go down to the discussion area. This pilot study was conducted to investigate the effects of cordyceps on gut barrier function in rats with endotoxin-induced sepsis. What they found was, they basically talk about how it has some other evidence outside of the scope of gut health. And then basically what they did was they measured various aspects of gut damage. And what they found was that cordyceps can improve dysfunctional gut barrier by promoting the proliferation and inhibiting the apoptosis of intestinal mucosal cells, as well as restoring the tight junction of intestinal mucosa. Guys, remember, there are so many things that can damage the intestinal mucosa and tight junctions. We've got alcohol, gluten, heavy metals. All of these can wreck our tight junctions. These are the things that the cells that enforce gut integrity and help with, reversing and reducing leaky gut. So guys, I'm really excited. You guys know I love sharing cool research studies. So if you've enjoyed this video, please share it around. Hit that like button below. If you want to know where to purchase cordyceps, there's a vendor that I personally use. I'll link that in the video description. So you can find a link to purchase cordyceps below. Check out all the other awesome links in my video description. I've got an awesome website with tons of phenomenal performance enhancing agents and things to help with health and performance, things like that. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.